Hi, it's Steve for How to Build It. A couple of you have asked me how I trim my leather and also how I make my holes. Let me show you. Sometimes in some of these stamp kits and grommet kits, you get these hole punches that come with it. Now, if you were to buy these hole punches, basically they're just metal cylinders that have been sharpened on one end. If you want to buy them separately, you can't. You tend to only be able to find them in kits, and the kits run anywhere from $9 to $17. So basically, if you need a punch, it's going to cost you $9 or more. So let me show you another option. Rather than this, there are these metal roll pins. You can find these in hardware stores. What they are is they're metal cylinders with a slot on it. They're made out of spring steel. They go into a hole and they bind it. But they're made out of hardened steel, and they tend to cost anywhere from 50 to 75 cents. And they come in all the sizes you need. So let me show you what I've done on this roll pin. This is a 1/8. I took the end, excuse my nails, I took the end and I just sharpened it. And now I have a sharpened chisel, and it's got a slot, so any leather that's caught in there, I can just take an ice pick and I can slide it out. So $9.50. You decide. That's one trick. And I love keeping all my tools in these Altoids boxes. They're great. For punching holes as well, you can use an awl, or what I've done is I took a dowel, I took a finishing nail, I sharpened it completely sharp, and what I did is I drilled a hole in the end, applied some epoxy, tapped it in, and then sharpened the tip. Always keep your sharp tips into cork so you don't stab yourself. So I either use this, or I mark my holes first and then I just drill them through. I keep everything handy, as I said, in my Altoids boxes. Threads and needles clearly marked, snap kits, and my drill bits. So hopefully that will help you. And also for trimming leather, a great sharp pair of leather scissors are amazing. I also have a couple knives that are razor scary sharp. X-Acto knife. And for sewing, I also have my sewing awl, which has a sharpened tip on it as well. So these are the tools that I have handy that I use, and use whatever works best for you. But that's my tip for the day.